Alt Resources Limited, ASX, ARS on the Australian Stock Exchange, is a junior explorer progressing very quickly to mining phase. And joining me in the studio is James Anderson, the CEO of Alt Resources. Welcome, James.
Hey Tim, good to see you again. How are you?
Very well. Now, you've done a lot of drilling recently. Fill us in on the drilling that you've been doing.
Yeah, mate, we've been drilling at Bottle Creek for about 4 months now, since March, and we've drilled 11,500, 12,000 metres of RC and about 1,200 metres of diamond, and so had some fairly sterling results. So we've been announcing on the ASX.
That's a lot of drilling in a short time frame. You've just recently done a flyover of the project, which is playing behind us. Tell us about what we're seeing now.
Yeah, well, I wanted to try and give our investors some idea of the scope of the Bottle Creek project. A lot of the investors, they don't really get to see much of this stuff on the ground, so the objective was to give the people a view of the whole project area, the pits, a lot of the sunk capital that we have in the project already existing. So I think it's a great demonstration of a scale of this particular project.
And where the money went.
Where the money went, yes.
And of course, it's not just money you're spending now. Historically, this project's had a lot of money spent on it.
Yeah, I think there's a large amount of sunk capital gone into Bottle Creek. The original developer was Norgold, and it's very difficult for people to understand. Sunk capital is something that it's sort of fairly intangible from a perspective of an investor, but from a development stage, it's really a great asset for the company because it precludes us from spending a great deal of money on that initial infrastructure. Roads, water, we've got a bore field in place, there's an airstrip there, we've got ROM pads, tailing dams, so probably ballpark figure around $20 million.
So what's coming up for investors in the short term for Alt?
Well, we're just not too far away now from the first maiden resource. We're looking at end of July, early August. We're going to be introducing our first maiden resource from all the drilling we've just done at Bottle Creek. We're anticipating that to be in the indicated category, and we're starting drilling there again next week actually. We're going to go back and do some more RC drilling. So
very exciting, more news coming. Alt Resources, ASX, ARS on the Australian Stock Exchange. James, thanks very much for joining us. And keep on the video because we'll play right after this, we'll play the flyover for you. Thank you.